there are flowers, a whole suite of different kinds of flowers that produce reflectors to guide bats to them on dark nights. Flowers that bloom in dense foliage, where bats have a hard time finding them, they produce reflectors out of either their petals or a leaf turned up the wrong way. That there's a vine in Cuba. The flowers hang down on a long stem, and then the last leaf above where the flowers are turns exactly upside down. Instead of going this way to catch sunlight to photosynthesize, it turns around this way and then acts as a reflector.